Hey guys, if you've missed class this week, then you have missed a couple things that we've been doing. You are going to be owning your own business, so you're an entrepreneur. And our bell ringer from today asked about the restaurant choice, but what you were supposed to do this week before you got to your choice, you can see that everybody on here has posted surveys. So you're trying to figure out what business you want. We're trying to stick with restaurants. If you have another idea, come to me and we can talk about it. But you are starting your own restaurant or business. Now, there's a couple ways that you can figure out what you want to do. You can go to My Drive and create a form. So just create and then form. And this kind of makes a survey. Now, when you're here, you probably want to uncheck require BGIC login. That way, they don't have to be logged in order to do it. Then you're going to have your question. So, your question might be, what food should I serve? And I didn't put a title. I always forget the title, so let me go and put that. Food. And then you're going to put some options here. Maybe you want to do seafood. Maybe you want to do cupcakes. Maybe you want to do just a regular bakery. Maybe you want to do breakfast foods. Whatever you want. You can put as many on there as you want, and then you click done. And that's your survey. You can add more questions if you want to, but you don't have to. You can change your theme, and there's some over here that you can change it to. You can click on them to see what they look like. Once you've chosen your theme, then you click send form, and this is the URL, so you can copy it. Remember, that's Control-C. And then if you're going to do it in Edmodo for everyone in our class to be able to take it, link it. I accidentally copied something else, so let me copy again. Control-C to copy, go back to Edmodo, Control-V to paste, and then attach. And then send it and everyone can take your survey. You can also email this with the same link. You can send it in a text message or iMessage, and anyone can take it from their phone. So you want to do this to get an idea. If you decide to not create a Google form and send it to people, you can't ask people. You need to have at least 20 people to give you an answer. So you could make your own spreadsheet and just go ask people. This information will be collected when you click View Responses. It'll be in a spreadsheet. This spreadsheet doesn't have any because I just made it and no one has commented on it. But I do have some that I've already done. Here is one that was collected from first period. Ignore the stuff at the bottom. Just pay attention to the stuff at the top. The stuff at the bottom is stuff that I wrote. The stuff at the top is all of the answers. And there's a chart that I created based on the information. Let me move that over. So here are the different ones. You can sort them right here. Because I have stuff right here, the sorting will be weird. So I'm going to cut that and move it over here. There we go. All right, so if I sort this information, you can see most of it's sorted, but someone has added one at the end. When I click sort A to Z, it puts in order and it helps me count. So now I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that said bakery. Oh, I'm not all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 said bakery, 2 said breakfast, 1 said meat, 1 said pizzeria, 7 said sandwich shop, and 2 said soup shop. So you could use that, and then this information, when you put it together, if you move all this information on this side, and then you highlight it, and you go to Insert Chart, it will recommend these, and that's a better example. I wouldn't do the line chart. You could, and then you also have this chart, and there are more. You could do the donut too. So if you were going to do it, click Insert, give it a title, and there are a couple more things you can do. You can play with the colors. You can do lots of different things with this. This is what you will turn into me as the assignment for 1022. If you did not do a Google survey, you can just go to My Drive, open up, create spreadsheet, take the information that you had, for example, bakery 15, I could take this information, create my own after I counted it up, open it in my spreadsheet. I'm going to paste it in just to save time. And then from here, I could do my own. I can also use Microsoft Excel to do this. And it looks exactly the same. It's just a spreadsheet. It's in Excel, and it's on your computer. So again, I can put my information like that. I can go to Insert, and I can do some charts here. There's one. Again, you can change I want you to change your title. Over here, there are more things that you can add. Lots of things that you can do. It's all up to you what you add to it. And right here, make sure that all of these are checked. You can change your color scheme. You can do lots of things here. Also, when you're creating this, you have lots of other options up here that you can pick from too. And there's even more. I could make multiple charts. If I wanted to do your pie, I could. Here are different styles. Again, change that title. These are, and that's a donut type chart, but you can do just your regular pie chart as well. Do both on here to show you. And then once you have the one that you want, I just want to show you some examples. And again, every time you have lots of things on the side to be able to show you to add more to it. So you can add data labels, data table, access titles, whatever you want there. Once you have, you can save and then you'll turn it in. Save it to your documents and then upload that as a file. If you decide if you decide to do it in Google Drive instead, again, share and copy that link and turn that in as your assignment. So that's what we're doing. We're going to become entrepreneurs and really work on creating our own business and making good decisions. This survey will help us figure out the best restaurants for you to create. So I hope that you enjoy this, and let me know if you have any questions.